Hello Linux gamers, welcome back to another video. I have been looking for some truck gear knob to enhance my trucking experience and I found multiple sellers on AliExpress, but SimRuiTo Store was kind enough to send me a sample unit for testing on Linux as they are the designer and manufacturer of this device. So in this video I am going to unbox it and show you how to install it on a gear shifter. Before we get into this video, I request all the viewers to subscribe to my channel as that will keep me motivated to make such content. Without any further ado, let's get started. Here I have the box that gear knob comes in. I have opened it before, so let's look into the package content. Here I have a pack of Allen key with some small screws. Here I have more screws, but this time this packet have bigger screws. Next, I have this packet of adapter which have the metal connector which goes in, takes in one shaft from the edge shifter, and on the other side it goes in the gear knob itself. Then here I have the rubber cushion which can be used for multiple edge shifters as they have different shaft size and screw thread. So this can be used as a adjustment adapter. Then finally we have the gear knob itself. It is very well built with good amount of weight to it. The leather material feels soft to the touch and curves are very well finished, so it feels good on the palm. Now we can look at how to install it. First I will insert the thread, but it is not as per the not the correct size. So for here I will insert the thick screws on the base first. On both side I will just make sure that they don't fall off. So when I try to insert it, then I will tighten it. Make sure it is tight enough, but don't tighten too much so that it cracks the thread inside. Next we will use one of the rubber cushion which fits my edge shifter shaft size, which is M8 on Simjack's edge shifter. So I will insert the rubber, and next I will put the screws on three sides just to hold the rubber in place. Now let's move on to the gear shifter itself. You see here I have SimJack H gear shifter 7 plus R. I will insert the gear knob on top of it using the M8 rubber adapter which comes with the package. Next I will just tighten it enough so that it stays snug and doesn't turn or move, but remember not to over tighten it, or else it will crack the screw thread on the edge shifter and you will not be able to use the original head again. So here it is, everything is in place. Now it is tight enough. There is little bit of rotation which is coming from the edge shifter itself. So here it is. It is very simple to install this beautiful gear knob and set it up in truck sim games. I hope this video was informative and you enjoyed watching it. Then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more content on gaming on Linux and sim racing on Linux. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.